Hello, this is my first YouTube video. I think so. I've been trying to film this video many times. Uh, it took me 3 to 4 months just to record myself and hit play and talk about myself. My name is Or Azran. I'm originally from Israel. I'm 23. I live with my beautiful girlfriend and my dog in Columbus, Ohio. It would be funny if I said it the opposite, but I moved here 3 years ago to make money. I think so. That's what I wanted. Just wanted to escape. I could come here. My mom was born here, so I said, why not? So, why am I uploading this video? Why am I doing this? I try to 3 to 4 months to just upload my first video? Because I want to start my online business. I want to start already my business. Yeah. And I want to help people start and scale their own service business and to 10K plus per month consistently. I see too many people just having problem get leads, sales, know where to start. And 2 years ago, I was just like them. 2 years ago, I wanted to start my own business. I was working in sales, and me and my twin brother, I have a twin brother, and uh, I was working in sales for 8 months. And I saw a YouTube video, a YouTube short of a guy, Oliver Lester, just knocking doors and selling window cleaning. So for 3 months, I convinced my brother and 2 other friends to quit everything and just start this business. And it came out good. It was pretty good. In a year and a half, we've done around $1 million in sales. And I can't believe it, but somehow did it. 4 stupid guys, normal dudes. Yeah, and we bought this guy course door to door, and we learn how to sell, we learn how to clean, and we just started from there. The course was good and it helped us a lot, but there was too many questions: how to get more leads, where to start, too many: how to open a business, bank account, taxes. Who knew about those stuff? Just too many things you need to know, and nobody tells you that. So we've been looking everywhere, and throughout the time, we learn how to open a Google business page, how to get more leads from not door knocking, how to upsell customers, how to get them to review our business, and more. And so, yeah, 18 months later, we decided to separate. Each wanted to do his own thing. And like me, I wanted to start my online business, travel the world with my girlfriend and my dog, and doing what I love, which is business. I learned that I really love it, and I think I'm pretty good at it. I guess you guys will decide. So that's my story. What's in it for you? I want to help people start, like I said, their own home service business. So if you're a normal dude, a girl, I really don't care, and you just want to start a business that is pretty easy to start, don't need a lot of money, and you just want to learn how to work, how to get sales, how to get leads, how to recruit, I think I can help you. In the best times, we've done $80,000 a month, 5 workers, 2 salesperson, and I was just sitting at home working on the business and not inside the business. So I think I can guide you to the right direction. Okay. And what's in it for me? Um, I want to help people for free, at least in the beginning. And if I help you guys make money, it's going to help me make money as well. So my success depends on your success. So if you're watching this and you just want to start a new business, all you need is 90 days. I'm doing it right now, 90 days of me uploading videos, working on my online business to change my life because this is what I want to do. So if you are normal dude or a girl who just want to start their own business, home service business, this is the best time to start instead of going learning AI and online business, which is really saturated. I know I'm doing this, but I'm really glad I started in the window cleaning or in the home service niche because you learn how to recruit, how to get sales, how to get leads, and a ton more. And this is the best, in my opinion, the best place to start if you have no skills, no idea what you want to do. It's a great place to start, get some cash, and start going. So yeah, I have a free group where I help people. I want to help people, so I'm doing this for free right now. So if you want to start your own business, your own home service business, just look at the link below, text me, ask any question. I'll guide you to the right direction. I will help you get to 10K per month and hopefully in 3 months. That's what I wanna do. In 90 days. That's all you need. So yeah, see you in the next video.